Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Cadillac SRX all-wheel drive in the gold finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car. Some of the features do include front and rear park assist sensors, a factory remote starter, perfect for the winter season ahead, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, power windows and locks, power liftgate, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seats, heated steering wheel with the hands-free controls, multimedia display with the integrated backup camera, heated front seats, electronic parking brake, park assist sensor switch, eco mode, panoramic sunroof, black interior in next to new condition, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.